Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add variations for your product in Site123. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have e-commerce on your site, and let's just click here manage page. When you're gonna be here on manage page, you want to click on when you're gonna add new product or just products here, and you're gonna see here options. So here you want to just add the option. Let's say I'm going to delete this one here and add the option, and you can choose which one you want, color, size, etc. So when I'm going to add size, I can also add new size, and then I can also add colors, brown, black, and here we got it. So we got two of them. Then you get also attributes, but options are enough. So when we have it, save and close. And look at this. When I'm going to click here, you can see it here. So we got like XL and then blue color. Really simple, really cool, really easy, and anyone can do that. So this is how we can add options for your site in Site123. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.